Here are 3 powerful signs that you've met someone who was a soulmate in a past life or a past lover. 1 is just this feeling, this physical feeling of chemistry that you cannot explain. When you're around them, you feel it, you can't shake it off, you can't logic it away, it's there. 2nd, you feel like you've known them all your life. You're very comfortable, you know them, it's like you can finish their sentences, you know what they're gonna do next. You just have this feeling of, I've known you for a long, long time. 3rd is there is this passion that's there, this electrifying passion, whether you argue way too much or you have way too much fun, there's just that extra passion that you're like, wow, this is just a level 10. And another bonus one is they see in you what you can't see in yourself yet. The beauty, the greatness, you know, the wholeness, what you can't see, they see, they know, and they honor.